Hey guys, Dr. Lindeman. I just wanted to show you what an adjustment looks like in our office. A lot of people, their biggest fear of coming to the chiropractor is that we're going to get twisted and turned and all sorts of things, and we don't do that here at Lindeman Chiropractic. So I just want to show you how simple we can do it and how gentle it is. This is Haley. She's volunteered to let me adjust her. We adjust a couple times a week anyway, but she's volunteered to let me do it on camera. So. Feel okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so let me set it facing this way, please. This is a form of acupuncture that we do. It's an electric microcurrent pen. We use specific points in the ear to stimulate specific things. In her case, we're just increasing endorphins and helping the body heal a little bit faster. We're going to do a couple of other points. We've been checking her wrist too. So. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. So easy as that, no hard force, no big popping, no cracking, anything like that. We just gently get the vertebrae to do what we want it to in the line of the disc to take pressure off the nerve and let the body heal itself. Thanks.